We know that all plants and animals need air to breathe. The animals living on the land part breathe in the oxygen present in the air. We can't live in water. When the divers go inside water, they carry oxygen cylinder with them. See this whale. How does it breathe? Similarly, how do the aquatic plants get carbon dioxide and oxygen in water? You'll be surprised to know that they breathe air only. Don't believe? Come, let us do an activity. Take some water in a beaker. Heat it to boil. Can you see the bubbles coming out? Where are these bubbles coming from? These are coming from water only. Air remains dissolved in water at normal temperature, so we can't see it. When water is heated, the dissolved air comes out as bubbles. The animals and plants in water use the dissolved oxygen for respiration.